Hey guys, I ordered this My Baptism cake topper from Amazon. As you guys could see, it comes packaged in this white package. It has a kind of like cardboard, like hard cardboard. That way it's not messing up the sign or anything. And it does come with this dowel right here. So let's go ahead and open it up and take a closer look at it. So all we have to do is just open up the back and just go ahead and slide it out. And this is what it looks like, you guys. It is beautiful. I like that it has the dove. That's like an added touch to it. It does have this dowel and it's pointy at the very end. That way you guys could stick it into a cake without a problem. So let's go ahead and put it in the cake and see what it looks like. So this is the cake I got that the topper is going to be placed on. It's just a simple round white cake with green frosting. And then we're just going to put it right on top. And I'm going to have you guys look at it and judge for yourself. But I liked it. I had compliments on it. It was for my son's baptism. And yeah, definitely recommend getting this cake topper.